like probably 3 in the morning and I can't sleep. So my hair's too tight in this ponytail. So, okay, start over. It's, I think, about 3 o'clock in the morning. One of those mornings I can't sleep. And a couple of days ago, might have even been last week, my niece, who is a nurse, asked me if I would make her some masks. So sure. So I whipped out 3 of them. She came and got them and she left. Well, then I got to thinking. I made her a quilt, and part of it's right here. These are the colors. I'll show you. There. I don't know if you can see that. Purple and yellow. Turned out really pretty, and I used as a centerpiece in it something that I'm not going to tell you yet. I just finished putting the mask together, and I'm ready to turn it inside out. I'll let you watch. Ricky's going to love this. Hold on. All right, so this is the inside of the mask, so don't get all excited yet. Let me turn it inside out. Okay. My battery died, so I had to stop. So, okay, do not look at my mess. I've been a wildcat in here, and my girlfriend stored some stuff. So anyway, I'm going to turn this inside out. And I thought about showing you what I did before I did this, but that would give it away. So I'm going to do this, turning it inside out, the reveal, and then I'll show you how I did it. Cute, cute. All right, hold on, turning it inside out. Oh my gosh. Maybe. Yep, there it goes. I know you can't tell what it is yet. I mean, it's a mask, but there's something very special about it. Okay. I still have to iron it, so it's not going to look exactly right. I'm trying to get it smoothed out before I show you. Yes, it's out of purple and white, because white material was the softest material I had, and I wanted something soft up against her face. If she decides to use it. She may not. She may just keep it as a fun thing. Anybody guess what I'm trying not to show you yet? Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's going to say Crown Royal, because I made her a quilt that had all those purple squares I showed you, and then I made Crown Royal squares in the middle of the quilt. So now I've made her a mask. Okay, so what I did first to make this was I came up, well, I looked online and I saw a couple of them that had measurements. So I kind of went off of that, but from here to here, I can show you. Yeah, I've got Crown Royal bags everywhere. Okay, so from there to there is 5.5 inches. From this end to this end is 5.5. And from here to here, from this end to this end right here is 5.5. From this end to this line was 5 inches. So I just kind of curved this to make it what I wanted. And then this end is 3 inches. You see that? Yeah, it's right at 3 inches. Cut out 2 pieces on this side, two whites for this side, 2 whites for this side, and then a purple here and a purple here. It looks black in the picture, but it's purple. Then I sewed a white side and a purple side together at the center seam, a white side and a purple side together at the center seam, and then I sewed the 2 leftover white sides, because I ended up with 4 white sides. So the last 2 white sides I sewed together at the center seam. Then I clipped my seams, and then I put the 2, then I put the 1 white, solid white, over this and sewed them together on the outside edges, and then turned it inside out from the opened end. Now what I'm going to do is I took the top of the bag and I was real careful not to cut it. I sewed the ends shut, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it on here all the way around. I'll cut it to length so that when she pulls it, it draws up tight. So I'm using the drawstrings on it too. Oh my gosh. And yesterday was her birthday, so I'm going to give it to her for birthday. Okay, I'm going to get this sewn, the two ends, here's the other one, sewn on here, and I'll be right back. Like that. And I'll zigzag it along this edge out here. I just love it when a plan comes together. Okay, put a little pin in it just to hold it. There. Oh yeah. Let me get it sewn. Ah, it's just making me laugh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to see her face. There we go. So that's what it'll look like on the outside. I still got to press it. So what, this will just hang, this part just hangs, and then when she puts it on, if she wears it, I doubt if she will, she'll pull that tight, and then it will kind of bunch up, and she can put those over her ears. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's too cute. Oh, I can't wait to show her. Well, there it is, Rikki Danae. I hope you like it. Oh my gosh. I gotta go. My battery's gonna die. Bye.